How many of you love desserts at any point of the day? Today I present a very easy recipe which is round about 2 to 3 minutes. Come and join me in making eggless chocolate mug cake.
Take 3 tablespoons of all-purpose flour in a mug. Then add to that 3 tablespoons of castor sugar or any superfine sugar. Add 2 tablespoons of good quality cocoa powder. After that, add 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder. Then add 3 tablespoons of dark chocolate chips. If you don't have them, skip it or add chopped dark chocolate. Give it all a good stir. Then add 3 tablespoons of milk and 3 tablespoons of any vegetable oil which does not have a strong flavor. So avoid the olive oil. With a spoon, gently mix everything into a lump-free batter. And we are ready. Transfer the mug to microwave for exactly 90 seconds. Don't open once done. Let it stand for 2 minutes. Then take it out and eat it. You could also serve with a scoop of vanilla ice cream. It's moist and so rich in taste. If you like this recipe, do share with your friends and subscribe to our channel for more.